Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. So great news, I have been approved. So remember we came here and we were noticing that I had to wait for it to go through and it was still processing, and I had this email stating that my certificate, this is my receipt, but now here it is, I'm approved. So I have the account number, the activation code, and it has a step-by-step guide of what to do. And we're going to go ahead and knock that out so we could see exactly how this works. Okay, so really quick, this is the instructions. I'm going to click on this to install, and it's going to go here, and I'm ready. So after putting in my activation code and my password that I created in the beginning, it brought me to this page where I'll retrieve my app authentication and I'll download, and I could copy my key. Okay, so I'm brought here and I'm going to download. I've downloaded the key and then I'm going to open it up. Now it tells me that I'm going to do that. And I'm going to drag that over. And here you go, it's verifying me. There you go. Okay, now it's going to tell me to create password. So I'm going to keep it at high so it always asks for a password. And I'm going to do my password. So let's see. Okay. Okay. And it's working. And now it's asking to generate again. And it's working. There you go. You want to make sure that you install the certificate.